How to screen record on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to screen record on Xiaomi, what you simply need to do is scroll down the status bar at the top of the screen. Now scroll down again and here you can see the option of screen record. So when you tap on the screen record option, you'll be able to record your screen and you can create a video over here. Now your settings can be changed over here by making a long press on the screen record. So here you can select the resolution, your video quality, orientation of your videos, your sound source, your frame rate and touch gestures or button taps over here. So you can just select and customize it according to your need. So in case you want to change the video quality, you can just tap on the video quality option. And as you do that, you'll be able to change it over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.